Are sales taxes in QuickBooks making you want to pull your hair out? Don't worry, we're about to untangle the entire process in just 90 seconds. First, navigate to the Taxes tab on the left-hand navigation bar if you don't see it. Go to Taxes, then Sales Tax Settings. This launches the automated sales tax setup. Now, QuickBooks needs to know where you're located. Enter your business address into the provided fields. This is critical as sales tax rates are determined by location. Click on Next. QuickBooks will then confirm your sales tax obligations based on your address. Review this information carefully to make sure it's accurate. If everything looks correct, hit Confirm. Next, assign the appropriate sales tax categories to your products and services. Find the product and service list. Click Edit Sales Tax. You may need to update existing items or assign tax categories to newly created products or services. QuickBooks uses location to automatically show the correct sales tax rate after you have reviewed and confirmed tax categories and selected your rate. Click Save. Now, when you create a sales receipt or invoice, QuickBooks will automatically calculate the sales tax based on the assigned product, service tax categories, and customer location. To track your sales tax liability, go back to the Taxes tab here. You can view reports that show how much sales tax you owe for each period. This makes for a much easier tax filing process. And that's it. You've successfully set up sales tax in QuickBooks. Properly tracking and remitting sales taxes is crucial for business success. So take a moment to ensure everything is set up correctly. Good luck.